We will be discussing about the laws of motion. The exercise 2, question number 1. Due to the application of a force on a body mass 100 kg that initially at rest. See, this is the body. Its mass is given. M is equal is given 100 kg initially at rest. Initially at rest. At rest. The body moves acceleration. When we can apply the force, its move with an acceleration is given by the 20 meter per second square. The direction of the force. Find the magnitude of force. Now here, the how much of the force we can apply. We know that Newton's second law, F is equal to m into a. F is equal to m into a. The mass is given 100 and acceleration is given by the 20. 100 into 20, that is equal to 2000 newtons. This is the force. Next, question number 4. A vehicle of mass 2 kg, 20 kg is moving with velocity 4 meters per second. Find the magnitude force that is applied on the vehicle so that the vehicle have velocity of 1 meter second inverse after traveling distance of 20 meters. Now here is given, see for example, we are considering this is a vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but to take the car. Okay. Now it's given by the initial velocity. The initial velocity is move with u is equal to 4 meter per second, and after the traveling some distance, how much of the distance can be traveling? 20 meter distance can be traveled, reach at the another position here. Its velocity that is given by the final velocity v is equal to 1 meter per second. Find the magnitude of force. Magnitude of force. Again, Newton's second law, F is equal to m into a. F is equal to m into a. But here is given initial velocity, final velocity, and displacement. Now it's converted. We know that v minus u is equal to v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now can add a is equal to v square minus u square by 2s is equal to a. Now substitute here. F is equal to m into v square minus u square by 2s. Now here is given by the mass. The mass is given by 20 kgs. Mass is given by the 20 kgs. Now can substitute here 20 into v square. The final velocity is there 1 whole square minus u square. U square is nothing but 4 whole square by 2 into distance. How much is there here? The 20. Now 20 gets cancelled. The remaining what is there here? The 1 minus 16 by 2. That is equal to minus 15 by 2, that is equal to 7.5. But we can find the magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but mod of F is equal to 7.5 newtons. Next, question number 6. A ball of mass 600 grams. A ball mass m is equal is given by the 600 grams. Now convert it to kgs. 600 into 10 power of minus 3 kgs. The strike the wall with a velocity of v is equal is given by the 5 meter per second. At an angle theta is equal is given by the 30 degrees with the wall and rebounds with the same speed, the same angle with the wall, the change in momentum of the wall. What we can find? The change in momentum of the ball. Now here is given by the ball of the ball. This is considered the wall. What is considered this is a wall. Now it is the normal. This is the normal. This is considered a normal. Now here is there the ball. This is considered the ball. Okay. Now he is moving. This is the direction and striking the wall. The making of angle here there is a theta. Now it's the direction of the velocity is v. And after is the rebounds and moving. This is the direction. And its velocity again v. And mass is given by the 600 gram. Making of angle is the theta. Then find out in a change in momentum. We know the formula change in momentum. Change in momentum. Delta P is equal to 2m into v sin theta. Delta P is equal to 2m into v sin theta. Then we can write here the 2 and mass. M is equal to how much is given by the 600 grams. We can write the 600 into 10 power of minus 3 into velocity. Velocity how much is given by the 5 into angle. Sine of angle how much is there? The 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. We know that the sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Now can substitute here 2 into 600 into 10 power of minus 3 into 5 into 1 by 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 5 into 630 and 3000 into 10 power 1. That is equal to 3 of momentum. The change in momentum, the delta P is equal to 3. See, next question number 8. When a force 1 Newton acts 1 kg mass at rest for 1 second, its final momentum is P. Here is given by the force F is equal to 1 Newton and mass is given by the 1 kg. Mass is given by the 1 kg. Mass at rest for 1 second. The time is equal to is given by the 1 second. E is at rest means initial velocity u is equal to 0. Final momentum. Final momentum is P. When 1 Newton force act on 1 kg mass at rest through a distance of 1 meter, the final momentum is P dash. The next condition is given. The force F is equal to 1 Newton and mass is equal is given by the 1 kg and travelling by the distance of 1 meter. The final momentum is given by the P dash. The ratio of P to P dash is equal to how much? See, the first we can find the other momentum. What is the formula for the momentum? We know the impulse. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. Change in momentum is equal to, we can write the F into T. The change in momentum is nothing but M into V minus U is equal to F into T. Here initial velocity is given by the 0. M into V minus 0 F into T. F is equal to how much is there here? The 1 into time is given by the 1 second. Because M into V is equal to 1. We know that the momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. We can substitute here the P is equal to how much is there here? The 1. The next condition, in second condition is given by the force is 1 Newton, the mass is 1 kg, but traveling a distance is given by the 1 meter. Then find out the final momentum. But here find out the final momentum is when the displacement is there, we can find out the acceleration using v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here again here given by the initial velocity u is equal to 0 because of it is an rest. V square is equal to 2 into a into s. But we can find out here the from Newton's second law, F is equal to m into a. F by m is equal to a. F is equal to how much is there? 1. Mass is 1. The 1 by 1 is equal to a. That is equal to 1 meter per second square. Now substitute here. v square is equal to 2 into 1 into the distance. How much is given by the 1? It is a v is equal to under root 2. Therefore, momentum P dash is equal to mass into velocity. Mass, how much of the mass is there here? 1. The velocity, how much is there? Root 2. 1 into root 2, that is equal to how much is there? Root 2 is the P dash. Therefore, ratio P to P dash is equal to 1 by root 2. See, next question number 12. Next question number 12. A balloon with its constant weight 160 newtons is moving down an acceleration of g by 2. See, this is the balloon. What is given by this here? Balloon. Now its weight is given. Weight is nothing but 2. That's a W is equal to 160 newtons. And tension you can acting in a upward direction, but it's moving in a downwards. See, this is the downwards. With acceleration is given a is equal to g by 2. A is equal to g by 2. Okay, the mass to be removed from, so it is the bellies move up with an acceleration of. See, the first in this condition we can find out in the tension. See, when the moving is downward, the T is equal to m into g minus a. The tension is equal to how much is there? When balloon moving downward, the T is equal to m into g minus a. Now write here the T is equal to m into g minus, g is equal to how much? A is equal to how much is there? G by 2. Take the cross multiplication. mg by 2. This is the tension. This is considered the equation number 1. Now here the mass to be removed. The mass to be removed. Mass to be removed from, so the balloon is moves up. Balloon moves up. See, this is the condition. It is a balloon. Now the tension is upwards, so weight is acting downwards. But how much of the mass? Some mass. The next level of the mass we consider the x. Then the balloon is moving up with an acceleration. A is equal is given by the g by 3 meter second inverse 2. Now, when balloon moves up, the tension T is equal to m into g plus a. T is equal to m. M is what is the next level of mass? M minus x into g plus a is equal to how much is there here? G by 3. Take the cross multiplication. M minus x 3 g plus 4g by 3 into t, and cross multiplication 4mg by 3 minus 4x into g by 3 is equal to tension T. This is considered the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, what is there? mg by 2. Substitute here. mg by 2 is equal to 4mg by 3 minus 4 into hg by 3. Now he has taken, this is taken this side and it will be taken this side. The 4xg by 3 is equal to 4 into mg by 3 minus mg by 2. Now we have the mg. Mg is nothing but weight. The weight how much is there? 160. Now we can substitute here the 4xg by 3 is equal to 4 into 160 divided by 3 minus 160 by 2. 160 by 2 is the 80. And here see the 160 into 4. See the 160 into 4 how much is there here? The 0, 24, 640. Okay. Now we can write here the 4xg by 3 is equal to how much is it? The 640 by 3 minus 80, that is equal to 640 minus 240 by 3, that is equal to 400 by 3 is equal to 4 into xg by 3. 3 gets cancelled and 4 is the 100 and x into g value how much is that? 10 into 100. G is equal to, we can write that 10 meter per second square and 0 is gets cancelled. X is equal to 10. How much of the is taken by either? 10 of the kgs. Now the remove of the mass. The how much of the removed by the either? The 10 kg when is the removed, that time the balloon can be moved in a upward direction.